SAT Math Lesson 13 is systems of linear inequalities. Now, the difference here is, right, with the system of linear inequalities, it's more word problem based on the SAT. And in addition to that, you're dealing with, inequality signs versus equations. Now, some key words here. When you see, or phrases, when you see at least, you should know that means the minimum it could be, meaning everything else is greater than or equal to. And at most, right, would be the most it can be is that number. Therefore, everything else has to be less than or equal to. Knowing these two phrases can help you big time with these problems. So the first one, a worker uses a forklift to move boxes that weigh either 40 pounds or 65 pounds each. Let X be the number of 40-pound boxes, Y be the number of 65-pound boxes. The forklift can carry up to either 45 boxes or weigh 2,400 pounds. Now, guys, when you're doing these type of problems, which of the following system of inequalities represents this relationship? Right away, just look at, you can only hold 45 boxes or 2,400 pounds. So you know you have to be less than or equal to 45 and less than or equal to 2,400. So right away, what options can you eliminate? None right now, but it's something you should look for. Now, you know X represents the number of 40-pound boxes. Y is the number of 65-pound boxes. So you know the number of X boxes plus the number of Y boxes has to be less than or equal to 45, right? Therefore, you can eliminate C and you can eliminate D, okay? Now it says it could hold up to 2,400 pounds. Well, if I have X number of 40-pound boxes, 40 times X would tell me the weight of the 40-pound boxes plus, right, 65Y would give me the weight of the 65-pound boxes. And if I go and look at this, letter A would be your choice. The next one. Jackie has 2 summer jobs. She works as a tutor, which pays $12 per hour, and as a lifeguard that pays $9.50 an hour. She can work no more than 20 hours a week. So right there, you know she has to work less than or equal to 20 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and just look at where the 20 is. That's greater than or equal to 20. That can't work. Less than or equal to 20, less than or equal to 20, greater than or equal to 20. That can't work. But she wants to earn at least $220 per week. So right away, at least $220 means she wants to make more than or equal to, right, $220. So this says she wants to make less than $220, not going to work, right? So right away, just by knowing those little things, you would get letter C. Now, I should know the number of hours she works at X job plus the number of hours she works at Y has to be less than or equal to 20. Then 12 times X tells her how much she makes at the $12 an hour job plus 950 Y tells her how much she makes at that job. And when you add the amounts she makes at each job, it must be greater than or equal to 220. Okay, these are little things that could be the difference of meeting the 530 benchmark or not. Okay, good luck.